Hi everyone, welcome back to Prakasham Tutorials. In my previous videos, we discussed introduction to the digital communication system, basic elements of digital communication system. Now here in this video, we are going to discuss about advantages and disadvantages of digital communication system. First, we are going to discuss about advantages of digital communication system. As signals are digitized As signals are digitized, there are many advantages of digital communication system over analog communication system. So that are the effect of distortion, the effect of distortion, noise and interference is very much less in digital signals as they are less affected. And second advantage, in digital communication, the speech signal, the speech, video, and other data may be merged and transmitted over the channel using multiplexing. And third advantage is digital circuits are more reliable. Digital circuits are more reliable. And fourth one is digital circuits are easy to design and cheaper than analog circuits. And next advantage is the hardware implementation in digital circuits. The hardware implementation in digital circuits is more flexible than the analog signal. And next advantage is it is used in military applications. It is used in military applications. Next one is it is easy to implement and less expensive. And next advantage is the occurrence of crosstalk is very rare in digital communication system. And next advantage is spread spectrum technique is used to avoid signal jamming. Using channel encoder and channel decoder, using channel encoder and channel decoder, we can easily detect the errors and correct the errors. Next advantage is the capacity of the channel is effectively utilized by digital signals. The capacity of the channel is effectively utilized by digital signals. In digital communication is easily adaptive to other advanced branches of data processing. Digital communication is easily to adaptive to other advanced branches of data processing. So sorry that other advanced branches of data processing are digital signal processing, digital image processing, and data compression, etc. So these are the several advantages, various advantages of digital communication system over analog communication system. Next, we are going to discuss about disadvantages of digital communication system. There are some limitations of digital communication system over analog communication system. So that are there is a high power consumption in digital communication. There is a high power consumption in digital communication. And next one is there is a sampling error. There is a sampling error. And next drawback is there is a requirement for synchronization in case of synchronous modulation. And next drawback is digital communication requires analog to digital conversion at a high rate. And next drawback is there can be possibility of miscommunication if a user does not understand something. These are the disadvantages of digital communication system over analog communication system.